Welcome to another episode of Beyond the Boardroom. इस एपिसोड में we have sat down with Jasleen Juneja, one of the most dynamic personality among all the directors at Qatar Awards. इस conversation में we have explored her side, what are her interests, वो क्या क्या चीज़ें करती हैं, who is she at the end of the day when no one is watching, stuff like that. So let's get into the conversation and let's have another beautiful episode of Beyond the Boardroom. So, Jasleen, also very prominently known as Nana here. Everyone knows her by the name of Nana.
Yeah.
So, are you Jasleen or Nana when we are doing this?
Nana.
Nana. Okay. So I'll address you as Nana.
Yeah.
So Nana, you were born into a legacy business, right? You had that Juneja name in you, and I'm pretty sure when the previous generation उन्होंने इतने अच्छे काम किए, there must be some sort of expectation from the next generation that they do come in. But let's say एक hypothetical situation है, मैंने आपके नाम में से जुनेजा निकाल लिया. Then who are you when everything is gone? Meaning, who are you when no one is watching? I really want to know. She is also my boss, so I really want to know that.
That's a very good question. I think I would still be the same person.
Okay.
Because so far, whatever I have built in life or done in life, I've never considered myself or done anything thinking that, I hold that title. So, just for example, in the last 2-3 years of my career, when I started working, I've done jobs, build startups, I have never considered for a fact कि मुझे सड़क पे पैम्फलेट देने हैं कि मुझे एक बोर्ड मीटिंग में बैठ के डिसीजन लेना है. टुडे वेयर आई स्टैंड आई फील अगर मैं हमेशा उस थॉट को दिमाग में रखती कि ओ आई कम फ्रॉम दिस फैमिली तो शायद मैं वो जो एक स्क्रैच से काम करना होता है वो कभी सीख ही नहीं पाती.
बिल्कुल.
एंड टुडे वेयर आई सिट इन डिस्कशंस आई नो आई हैव डन इट, so nobody can fool me also, but you have to forget that name in the head. And if you remove that thing, I think Nana as a person is somebody who loves food, loves traveling.
Of course.
But traveling has also become a part of something which is routine. I don't see myself कि अच्छा आज मैं boardroom में हूँ या मैं अपने office में हूँ, so I'm working. It is more like shifting a city, so I'm shifting my work life also like that.
She travels a lot, guys. She travels
it looks very fancy, Instagrammable, but it is not exactly that fancy.
But I do get it. It takes a lot of energy because जो हमारा past week गया like Plumex वाला. So we were there. Yes. You were not directly there. You first went to Delhi and then you came to Bangalore. And then when we came to home, you went to Delhi again and then came back.
So most of my time goes, people don't see, people watch my stories because I used to do food and travel blogging also. I've started doing that again. Now I see that I have little bit of time and I have full-fledged team, who can edit and support me in doing that.
So what's the name of your handle like?
It's paradise _ on my plate.
Follow
it, guys. We have a next series coming on it.
Yes.
But nobody sees what goes behind. Most of the time, I'm genuinely checking my flight tickets, or I'm on work calls. It does not matter if I'm at the airport or in a hotel. If we have a consultant meeting at 1 a.m. in the morning, or we are with them, and 6 o'clock I have to be present for my next meeting. We have to do all of it.
Yeah.
Like, if you ask me, do words like tiredness or boring exist in my life? They don't exist. And sometimes when I tell people, that there should be work-life balance, there is no balance in life right now.
There is just work in life.
Yeah, but that's what I love doing. Like, so the question that you asked me, ki if you take out Juneja out of my name, I would still be somebody who would be passionate to create something, who would still be wanting to hear more people, more about businesses. The only thing is that probably I might not have that, I need to prove I have to be successful. Even if I'm failing, though my family is very supportive in terms of failures as well, and it is a must, I would say.
Yeah.
But sometimes you hold that baggage to prove yourself, and probably I would have been doing things silently because it is said, let your work speak more,
yes.
Right? I've also faced this thing when I started Brandbox 5-6 years back. initially nobody supported me. Support in not in terms of that okay मैंने business शुरू किया है, but more in terms of that in that business it is more about selling authentic products. So I source from many countries and I sell it in India. So obviously when it comes to authenticity, the fear was कि ओ कभी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि by chance किसी ने duplicate product दे दिया है तो वो बोले कि ओ जुनेजा की बेटी ये काम करती है और गलत product भेजा है. So I have gone through this thing also that you know if you hold a family name, what challenges come in life. But over last many years, I think when also because I was living in London, it made a difference. Like वहाँ मुझे सब जसलीन जुनेजा के नाम से नहीं जानते थे. वहाँ पे जो भी मैंने build किया वो scratch से build किया है. So it definitely did add to all of this.
Wonderful answer. हमारे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ये चीज स्टैब्लिश हो गई कि नैना बाय चॉइस और बाय वर्क शी डज ट्रैवल अ लॉट. सो नैना, व्हेन यू ट्रैवल अ लॉट, आर यू दैट कूल कजन इन द फैमिली हु ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट एंड यू नो visits new places? I'm sure they must not be knowing सारा scene जो पीछे जाता है, but are you that cool traveler cousin or sister in your home?
I think yes, you can probably say that. Obviously all they know is what they see on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes what happens is like we were in Bangalore, so a lot of them were reaching out to me and be like, "अच्छा तुम इस restaurant में भी हो क्या है वो भी?" But nobody realized that that content was from last 2-3 years. You know, when I last visited Bangalore, because this time we were stuck with meetings back to back until late night. So obviously you get the right time to reuse the content also. Nobody knows what's happening around.
Yeah.
All they see is what is posted and you know they're updated from there. But yes, because my work requires a lot of travel, I keep doing a lot of London, India also, and then when I'm in India, I'm still learning business, meeting, you know, going out, traveling, learning business. We have a lot of exhibitions. I'm part of most of them. So obviously, all the seas that I'm traveling.
Yeah.
But end of the day, it is no matter if a city is changed or a room is changed or I'm at the airport or if I'm traveling in flight, work
is there.
Yeah.
Work
goes
constant.
all. Yeah. It's not that I have to be in my office and I have to be working. No.
Yeah. So guys, she is the cool traveler cousin, but for the right reasons, I would say. Right. So, Jasleen, we know that. Naina. We do know that you live in London and then you keep coming back to India, right? So, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, what is that one thing that you miss a lot in London? And what is this one thing that when you come back to India, you miss a lot? So like London में आपको India का क्या miss करते हो आप, और India में London का क्या miss करते हो? Because you have the taste of both the lifestyles, right?
Yeah.
तो please बताएं हमें.
Obviously, when I'm in UK, I think what I miss is that family.
Of course, family.
Obviously, I have my closest bunch of friends in India. You know, my childhood friends. You do miss them. You do miss when some celebrations are happening home, festivals are going on. Obviously now it's been quite a long time, so you make peace with where you are and how you are. Sometimes I definitely miss mummy ke haath ka khana. Parathe. I love namak jawan wali roti achar ke saath.
Wow.
So I think whenever I'm landing back and I get a call from my mom or my chachi, they're like, सांबर इडली खानी है कि दाल चावल आलू खाने हैं. So comfort food, you know.
Comfort foods.
It's not like I can't make it. I can definitely make it, but that feeling of being served and you know being pampered and obviously जो मर्जी कह लो मम्मी के हाथ का खाना तो उनके हाथ का ही खाना. So and living here, I think I definitely do miss a little bit of independence. It's not that I'm not independent here. But obviously, the society is different, the culture is different. You know, nobody questions you there that, okay, I don't feel like doing anything and I'm out for a walk for 2-3 hours or just sitting in a cafe and reading a book. Though this culture is eventually coming here in cities like Jalandhar and Ludhiana also. but it will still take time.
So I can confirm that whenever she's in London and I call her, she's either cooking something, either she's like, Himad, 2 minute wait kar, मेरे को कुछ काम है, let me do the laundry and call you back. So that is true.
Yeah.
Okay, so Naina, you also mentioned that you have a food and traveling channel, right?
Yeah.
And in the world of food and travel, बहुत सारे trends आते हैं और बहुत सारे trends जाते हैं. Like it's a world of trends.
Yeah.
So if I were to talk in that sense, कुछ ऐसा trend है, be it about food or some aestheticism that that everyone loves, but you kind of secretly dislike it.
I think I have really started feeling that when I started my page, I wanted to promote roadside vendors. You know,
Small vendors.
Small vendors. So many of them exist in Jalandhar also who have come from Pakistan, and you know, मतलब आप सोचो उनका 70, 80, 90, 100 years से same
businesses
flavors है खाने में या जो भी
yes,
है.
Yes.
But do people appreciate it now? No.
They are taken for granted.
They are taken for granted, या लोगों को पता ही नहीं है hygiene के purposes से या
जो भी कुछ
XYZ reason. Or more above that, they can't post it, you know.
Yes.
Or even if they do it, they put 100 things around it, but वही स्टील की प्लेट में आज कौन आप देखते हो कि डालना चाहेगा एक फोटो, right?
Aestheticism का ज़्यादा ज़माना है.
So I feel that because I used to do a lot of food blogging and food tasting, you know, I used to go to all these places. वो aesthetically pleasing बनाने के चक्कर में they started forgetting the authentic flavors of it.
बिल्कुल.
So secretly I feel कि मुझे पता है कि this look. I also sometimes go to a cafe knowing that उसकी coffee is not good, but it is Instagrammable, and now people want to see that. So sometimes we go post pictures, though I definitely give the right review. You know, it's a 3.5, not 5 on 5. Don't spend too much money. But people have started making things look more beautiful, but they hold nothing.
You are foodie by nature, like you love the authentic flavors more, right? What would be your comforting food the next morning? Like personally for me, it would be sambar and idli, like idli dipped in sambar. They're very hot and you eat it, it's like very comforting. What is that for you?
I work out every day, so I make sure ki, you know, I become a little calculative about what I'm eating in terms of how much protein intake I take.
That I know.
Yeah.
She only has sauteed vegetables for lunch.
With protein, with tofu
and
or
everything.
eggs or something.
And I have like crispy kulcha, it's like crushed and everything. Two different worlds you're coming from.
If I'm in India, I think I love having mutton with rumali roti.
You know what? I did make mutton last night. Yeah.
And then you didn't get it for me.
So I ate it all. Is there something that you are irrationally passionate about that has nothing to do with valves or robotics or fire safety? Is there something we want to know? I want to know.
I think I'm passionate about everything.
Okay.
You know, sometimes I feel that I wish I had a longer day, more than 24 hours, because I really want to do everything in life.
Oh.
And there was a time when I used to watch a movie, I used to be so influenced. अच्छा pilot की life ऐसी होती है और इसकी life, and my dad used to be like, नैना एक ही जिंदगी है, मतलब you have to choose what you want to do.
नैना is like सब कर लूँगी.
And it's not like that. I've tasted also a lot of things. You know, with having a food page, you get to experience the other side of the world also. How brands work with you.
Also,
how
you have built so many businesses, so you get a taste from there.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't know. Am I passionate about something?
See, what I am getting from you is you are passionate about living. Right? Or living with passion.
Living with passion, or I want the world to know me for something different I've created in the world, or some change I have made for other people.
Very nice vision.
So, चाहे आप मुझे केक बनाने के लिए बोल दो या कुछ भी बोल दो, so I will do everything wholeheartedly.
It is passion for life.
It is passion. It is passion. I mean, every day I wake up. My last, you know, when I was working, somebody gifted me this book called Ikigai. And I love that book because every morning I wake up, what is the reason to wake up?
What's
You
the
know,
reason that you get out of the bed?
yeah, why do I get out of the bed? So before sleeping, I think I have a clarity in my head that tomorrow when I'm waking up, or it can be a short term or it can be a
बिल्कुल.
long term, whatever happiness you get or whatever kick you get to get out of the bed. So I try.
Wonderful.
If I don't have that pressure in my head of proving something or doing something, I love that. It gives me challenge.
Oh, that drives you.
Yeah, that drives me.
So you work, I am assuming you work good under pressure then.
I do. I 100%.
That's great. So एक और क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आ रहा है नैना जी कि जब हम छोटे होते हैं वी हैव अ डिफरेंट विजन टुवर्ड्स लाइफ कि मैं बड़े होके ऐसे करूँगा, मैं ऐसे करूँगा, या जब हम छोटे होते हैं बहुत ही हमारे ना इरेशनल फियर होते हैं. जब हम बड़े होते हैं एंड वी लुक बैक, हमको लगता है कि यार क्यों टेंशन ले रहा था, जब हर चीज़ 1-2 साल में सॉल्व हो ही जाती है तो व्हाई टू टेक टेंशन एज ऑफ नाउ. सो वाज देयर समथिंग, लेट्स से एट योर 21, that you believed from your core, but you laugh at it now because eventually a person grows?
You want to know this answer professionally or personally?
I would say personally. This is a personal kind of episode.
Yeah, quite a lot of things I would say. I think I used to believe until 18 or 19, I used to plan things a lot. But now I've reached to a point where I feel that अच्छा मुझे अब आज यही करना है, ये मेरे नेक्स्ट 2 महीनों का प्लान है, ऐसे है. इन लाइफ इन लास्ट मेनी years things have not worked out according to my plans.
100%.
So rather than getting disheartened, I've become very open to it that ठीक है, whatever is happening for a reason. Maybe I don't connect the dots today, but tomorrow or
Eventually
later
you
in
will.
life I will understand why it has happened. I read a very beautiful saying somewhere कि आप फ्लाइट में जाते हो, आपको पता नहीं है पायलट कौन है, राइट? आप बस में ट्रैवल करते हो, आपको पता नहीं है बस ड्राइवर कौन है. सो अपनी लाइफ की चाबी भी आपने भगवान के हाथ में दी हुई है. ही कैन सी द बिगर पिक्चर ऑफ वेयर ही वांट्स यू टू बी और व्हाट ही हैज टू लीव इट ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट. सो आई बिलीव इन दैट थिंग कि ठीक है, अगर आज मैं जहाँ पे भी स्टैंड करती हूँ, मे बी आई डोंट सी व्हाई आई एम हियर और इफ आई एम हैप्पी और नॉट हैप्पी, बट
It's the way it is.
It's the way it is. Apart from that, I also feel maybe this is not right, and I don't know if should be put across on camera, but maybe living in 2 different countries, or maybe my experiences, I think I've reached to a point where I feel the less you expect from others, the happier you are in life.
नैना जी, कभी कभी ना लाइफ में ऐसे होता है, आई वुड से एज ऑफ नाउ, कभी कभी क्या अक्सर यही होता है कि जो हमने चीजें प्लान करी होती हैं दे डोंट गो इन दैट डायरेक्शन, राइट?
100%.
या सो और एक इंसान का ना अपना ये वाला जोन भी होता है कि नथिंग इज गोइंग राइट इन माई लाइफ, एंड दिस इज द थिंग दैट आई विल डू टू गेट माई हेड सॉर्टेड, टू गेट माई सेल्फ ग्राउंडेड, एंड डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब मी व्हेन आई एम डूइंग इट. कुछ पीपल बहुत पर्टिकुलर होते हैं अपनी लीजर एक्टिविटी के बारे में, या अपने आप को जब वो आई वुड से गैदर कर रहे होते हैं. सम पीपल आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट कि फॉर मी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से आई एम स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट इट, सो माई processing of the emotion says that I can't talk to anyone. For that, for me, is I talk to the pen and paper. For me, it's that. So, is there something that do not disturb activity for you?
I think same. होता क्या है, कभी कभी क्या मोस्टली केसेस में आपको पता होता है कि what is the reality, but you don't want to accept the reality.
क्या बात बोली है?
Right? And I also feel कि pausing in life is one thing जो India में at least it is a big thing and people don't accept it easily. Like if say for example मैं 12th के बाद 1 साल का गैप लेना चाहती हूँ, like क्यों लेना है बेटा?
लोग कहते हैं आपका 1 साल बर्बाद हो जाएगा. What is बर्बाद हो जाएगा?
तो लाइफ में एक फेज मेरी भी आया था जहाँ पे I wanted to take a pause, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मैंने कभी लाइफ में ब्रेक ही नहीं ली ना. मतलब
चले जा रहे हो,
10th में मार्क्स लेके आओ, फिर 12th में लेके आओ, फिर आपको अपनी कॉलेज के लिए मार्क्स लेने थे तो आप पढ़ते रहे, फिर आप आप यूनिवर्सिटी में पहुंच गए, वहाँ पे आपको समझ नहीं आता आपके साथ हो क्या गया है, आप सिस्टम में आने की कोशिश करते हो, पढ़ते पढ़ते ही काम मिल गया, आपने काम ज्वाइन कर लिया,
So
एंड
relatable.
देन आप 25 सालों के बाद देयर केम अ पॉइंट इन लाइफ आफ्टर 24-25 years वेयर आई रियलाइज कि ब्रेक क्या होता है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं ब्रेक क्या होता है, एंड आई वांटेड टू पॉज इन लाइफ. Luckily my family accepted that it's fine, take
You
2-3
should take
months.
pauses.
खुद वैसे उस तरह से कि मुझे पॉज लेना ही नहीं आता है. Try to accept the reality.
Yeah.
नैना यही रियलिटी है, इसको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा.
Well said, because कहीं ना कहीं क्या अक्सर हमें पता ही होता
पता
है
ही
कि
होता है,
रियलिटी
हम
क्या है,
बस
accept
नहीं
करना
चाहते हैं कि वो वैसे ही हो, हमारा प्लान कुछ और होता है.
सो नैना जी, मैं ना एक ट्रेंड देख रहा हूँ आजकल के जो यूथ है या जो मेरे आसपास बंदे हैं, एक तो उनको खाना बनाना नहीं आता है, बी इट अ फीमेल और बी इट अ मेल. मेरा पर्सनल ये मानना है कि खाना बनाना इज अ सर्वाइवल स्किल. एंड कुछ लोगों को बहुत गर्व होता है ये बोलते हुए कि हमें तो गैस भी नहीं ऑन करनी आती. आई वुड से कि सीखो फिर. बट नैना, हाउ वेल कैन यू कुक इफ यू कैन कुक, एंड व्हाट इज योर मैसेज टू द पीपल हु प्राउडली से कि हमें तो खाना बनाना नहीं आता, ना ही हम सीखेंगे.
Do that, not that I just believe कि आपको सब कुछ करना आना चाहिए, चाहे वो काम में है, चाहे वो घर पे है, चाहे वो झाड़ू मारना है, डस्टिंग
पोछा
करना
करना है,
है,
कुछ भी
पोछा
करना
करना है. मतलब obviously you can always be dependent on somebody, but
Vital.
knowing you have the right to question also, you know?
बिल्कुल.
तो
एंड आई थिंक ये सब चीजें को सर्वाइवल स्किल्स की तरह से देखना चाहिए.
exactly.
लाइक अगर आपको ये स्किल्स नहीं आते, अगर आपको कुकिंग नहीं आती, यू डिड नॉट नो कि मेरे को झाड़ू पोछा कैसे करना है, सफाई क्या करना है, you would have not been able to survive in London without a help, right? But you did it eventually.
So cooking for me is meditation. काम से वापस घर पहुंचना. Being honest, मैं इंडिया में नहीं करती हूँ, पर मुझे कुकिंग आती है. And not just for survivor, I cook really well, I bake really well, and I can cook. I've been cooking for last 8-9 years. I know how to make Indian food, and London रहते हुए तो I think a lot of friends I've hosted, they come specially for Indian cuisine कि नैना खाना अच्छा बनाती है, राजमा चावल बना देती है, कड़ी चावल, everything, yes. And I think आजकल YouTube का ज़माना है, ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं कि आपको.
That you can't learn and
And my mom, she sends me voice message, 2 प्याज काट, ये कर, वो कर, इतनी flame पे, because she stayed in that apartment also where I stay. 5 नंबर पे गैस चला लेना, इतनी देर में सीटी आएगी, तो if I don't know something, then I have a chef sitting at home guiding
a
me
master
also.
chef rather.
Yeah, master chef sitting home. तो मुझे तो बहुत weird लगता है जब लोग आके मेरे आसपास कहते हैं कि उनको खाना नहीं बनाना आता है. एंड मैं तो मतलब अपने घर पे भी, हमारा भी एक टाइम था जब जिस राज कभी किचन में जाते थे तो बड़े कहते थे कि आपका काम थोड़ा है करना, बट आज वो खाना बनाते हैं, आज वो ब्रेकफास्ट बनाते हैं अपने लिए जाने से पहले.
तो बनाना भी चाहिए.
एंड अब यू नो a grandparents have only accepted that it's normal for even guys to go cook, which is a very big change. ये नहीं है कि उनको बनाने की जरूरत है, but you know they should know. कल को कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंड we all wait for meals that they all make कि अच्छा डिनर में जसराज बना रहा है या राजवी बना रहा है.
So नैना, आपके सारे ब्रदर्स ने फैमिली बिजनेस को ज्वाइन किया है, राइट? Which is also a good thing. और आपने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस गेन करने के बाद किया है, लाइक आपने कुछ कंपनीज बिल्टअप की हैं, स्टार्टअप्स बिल्टअप किए हैं, ऑल्सो यू रन योर ओन पेज, यू रन योर ओन फूड ब्लॉगिंग. सो ये सब एक्सपीरियंसेस लेने के बाद व्हेन यू ब्रॉट ऑल दोज थिंग्स इनटू करतार एंड यू जॉइन फैमिली बिजनेस, कुछ डिफरेंस दिखा आपको टूवर्ड्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बिजनेस या हाउ बिजनेसेस वर्क, या जस्ट गिव अस सम इनसाइट्स ऑन दैट?
100%. आई थिंक मैं कभी भी फैक्ट्री को सीधा ज्वाइन ही नहीं करना चाहती थी. मैं कभी भी नहीं चाहती थी कि इफ आई एम सिटिंग ऑन अ टेबल, माई पॉइंट इज वैल्यूड बिकॉज आई एम माई फादर्स डॉटर और यू नो माई दादूज ग्रैंड डॉटर. आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू हैव दैट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वॉट आई एम सेइंग.
She has done legal studies. इनको नहीं फूल किया जा सकता. Take a note.
Even though I don't practice, but the moment you tell somebody that you have done, majors in law or studied that for 4 years, the conversation will only change on the table.
In their mind उनको समझ में आता है कि if I do any wrong with her, ये पकड़ लेगी तुरंत, which is also a great thing.
It is a great thing, and I think कभी education waste नहीं जाती. I did double majors, so I picked one part. I feel मेरे खून में business दौड़ता है. मुझे बिजनेस करके numbers मुझे बहुत fascinate करते हैं, so I picked that thing up. So yes, so to answer your question, it does definitely has made a difference. And I also feel even when I'm sitting for board meetings, you know, or even for a meeting, nobody questions or cross questions me if I've said something. They feel कि किसी ना किसी एक्सपीरियंस से इसने
तजुर्बे
ये
से
बात
बोल
बोली है. तो मैं तो सबको रेकमेंड करूंगी कि यू नो ये एक बिजनेस, यू नो, अगर आपका कोई फैमिली का बिजनेस है वो तो आपके पास हमेशा रहेगा ही.
रहेगा
चाहे
ही.
आप 2 साल बाद ज्वाइन करो, चाहे 4 साल बाद ज्वाइन करो, चाहे इमीडिएटली ज्वाइन करो, बट बेसिक चीज है कि टाइमली ऑफिस पहुंचना है, डिसिप्लिनरी, राइट,
आपको सीखना पड़ेगा.
एब्सेंट मतलब कितने दिन ऑफिस में रहना है, कैसे चीजों को मैनेज करना है, कैसे टीम मैनेज करनी है, ये आप किसी और के अंडर सीख के आओगे ना तो हमेशा बेटर रहता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
But being said, for us being directors also here, we also have certain number of holidays that we get in a year. We also have time frame.
You
we
told
have to,
me about this, yeah.
So या तो आपके अंदर के सिस्टम भी वैसे बन जाए, but I would always recommend somebody to work, to learn their culture and to try get the culture, because we still need to learn and do adapt and build a lot to, you know, reach to MNC culture.
Yes, and we are going towards
we are going towards it. We are going, all 4 of us have experience in one or the other way, so we are all going towards it. But in general, when you join manufacturing business, overall I'm talking about, we still need to do a lot to reach there.
Yes. So that was Jasleen Juneja, one of the directors at Kartar Walls Private Limited. I think Jasleen का आज एक दूसरा साइड दिखा है लोगों को, right? Would you want to mention your channel's name?
So my channel's name, the travel and food, is paradise_ on my plate, and the business that I do is, so it's more like a personal shopper, if you have ever come across that term. That is the.brand box with a double X.
This is the one.
Yes.
So stay tuned. Thank you for giving us love in the previous video. We hope in this video you will give us the same amount of love. And stay
More
tuned
love,
for
more
more.
love.
More love.
More love.
Then I'm saying more love, so you need to give more
To
love.
the only female person.
To the only female director at Kartar Walls. Okay guys, stay healthy, stay
Bye.
thank you. Bye bye.
See you in the next video.